Hello, this is Dividfox. Hope you're having a good day. Yeah, this is more of a follow-up from my last video where I got, what was it? I got Minecraft Java running on my phone, and I got lots of comments on, how do you do that? And so, I'm gonna walk you through it. Right, so the first thing you're gonna want to do is make sure you've got like a mail account, like you can just set up a free Gmail one. I know the second thing you're going to need is, well, a Mac. You are able to do this on Windows, but I have a Windows computer, and so yeah, you could probably just search up how to install AltStore for Windows, and then just follow on when I get to the part where I actually get onto the phone. So you need a computer too, and so I'm using a Mac. I guess that's kind of known by this point. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to type in AltStore.io. You hit enter. It's going to bring you to something like this, and you're like, oh, what's this? Divided, what's this? Alright, so again, this isn't for Windows, so don't worry about this. It's for Mac OS. Just gonna click that. It's gonna want you to download something, and then when it finishes downloading, it should install AltServer. You're gonna want to go. So yeah, I'll just do this in Finder because this is gonna look weird. Actually, I'll bring it out to the desktop. So you're gonna double click this, open, and it's gonna say, ooh, what's this? It's going to include notifications and stuff. Options, allow, because you're going to want to need that if you want to keep on doing it, because I'll tell you more about it later, but you're going to click this, and this has appeared. This is the AltServer thingo, and the first thing you're going to notice is that, like, if you've got if you've plugged in your phone or iPad, it's going to have that there. And the other thing that you're going to notice is there's not a big window. It's only up here. You might not have even noticed it. Now, so what you're going to want to do is now that you've done this, you're going to want to go over, open up Mail, and go to Mail, Preferences. So in Preferences, there's like you've got all of this. You want to go down to this thingo right here. So I'll click a bit because you're going to see a circle because I've selected that. So you click this, you click that. And there's alt plugin.mail bundle, so that installed that when you ran it. So you can click this, allow access, apply and restart Mail. Now you just need to keep Mail open when you're running this, so I'll just minimize it. Now what you want to do is you want to click here, and you want to install it onto one of the devices. So that's an iPad. I want to install it on my phone. So the first thing you're going to want to go do is you're going to want to grab your phone. You're going to want to plug it in. So I'll just try and do this. Alright, let's just grab my phone. Okay, I've gotten my phone. So when you get your iOS device, so iPad, whatever, you just want to go ahead and plug it in. So you plug it in to your computer, and the first thing it's going to say is like, I don't know, it might open up music, or if you're on an old model, it might open iTunes. So my device is small boy, so I want to install it on there, legit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click small boy. It's going to say, alright, please enter your Apple ID. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and do that. So you enter that, so you've got to make sure they're correct. And this is why we got the Mail plugin running, because this can't just authenticate to Apple. What it's doing is it's sending Apple an encrypted message through your mail, sending them your ID and stuff, and saying, hey, we just need to authenticate that it's real, because what you're trying to do is you're trying to get something that Apple doesn't like. it's not on the App Store, and you're trying to run it on your phone, and with each Apple ID you get like a certain amount of apps you're able to run without an Apple ID. So first thing you're going to notice is you're going to go, alright, so you're going to enter that, you're going to enter that over. So I'm just going to use one of my many alt addresses. So So about half an hour later, I figured it out. I needed to do some chores, things like that, and I was able to get it working. So this is my phone's perspective. Okay, so the first thing you're going to notice is on your home screen there's going to be a new app, and you're not going to be able to open it. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to head over to settings, then you're going to want to go down and VPN in general. You just got to click that. It should have your Apple ID down at the bottom, developer app. You hit trust, and you trust it. If this isn't working, or you can't open it, or like it says you need to do something, just go down to privacy and security. Now you're gonna have to restart. You go to developer mode, you click that, you turn that on. I've already got it on because I'm recording, and then you just go back out. You should be able to go in the app. You just hit allow. It'll be good. Now, of course, you can just you'll see AltStore, and so something that you'll notice is it has a 7 days icon next to it. You're not actually going to be able to open it in 7 days, and also you're going to have to re-sign it. So you just click the sign in thing. Then you also need to put your Apple ID in. So I just skip past that area because it's sensitive information again. And then after you've done that, you just skip back out over here. So of course it expires in 7 days. You go to app IDs. Now you can see you have 10 app IDs, and I've already used 2 of them. And so AltStore, when you install, it comes with a neat little feature that allows you to actually add a widget to your home screen. So the alt widget, is that what it's called? I just scrolled past it. Oh no, it's just called it's the alt widget. There we are. Alright, so you put that there, and it will tell you when it's going to expire, and just to re-sign it, so you just got to click AltStore and it will redo it. But you've got to click the green icon and it will tell you. You just got to plug it back into your computer and have Mail open, and it will do it. So when we're going to go over to sources, it's going to load up the trusted sources, and then we've got the PojavLauncher repository. We're just going to go ahead and add that. Add source, and while we're at it, we might as well add the rest of the sources. And so of course I'm putting a voiceover over this, so I'm just going to go back and do that. So I just add all of them, and this is just useful because AltStore is used for a variety of other things. So let's say you want to jailbreak, you'd use AltStore. If you wanted to really do anything, you would use AltStore because it's just useful. Right, so you can see I'm able to simulate Windows 7 and stuff on your phone, and but this video is about getting PojavLauncher running. So what you're going to do is you're just going to install it. I've speeded this area up a bit because it takes a while, and so I don't know, when am I going to speed it up? Yep, there we are. The spinning wheel thing has just gone super speed. Oh yep, and there we go. So this was about 5 minutes. Well, no, it wasn't 5, it was like 1 minute and 7, and I've condensed it quite a lot. So after you've done that, you exit, and there's the PojavLauncher app. You open that up, and it will check for JIT, or basically that's just, you don't really need to worry about that. It's just going to connect to AltStore, and it's going to be like, send notifications, yada yada yada. Just say allow. It's easier if you just allow. Really, you don't want to. You don't really want to have to. You could say no, but like it will tell you useful things. So here I'm able to pick all of them. So I'm just going to go ahead and latest latest Minecraft version 19.4. Gonna go ahead and play that, and it's gonna be like, we need an account. So I'll just hop on over. So you want to do Microsoft login, not local. So you hit Microsoft, you hit that, and then you go to login.live, you sign in. So if you're using, I don't know, Luna client, you do the same thing. Then you're there. You can also see there's an install jar area, so you're able to get mods on here too. So after you've done that, it will install, and I've just skipped past that because that takes like 10 minutes. So after it installs, so it's installed everything, it will do another quick install, and you can see I've sped it up again. And I'm not sure how long it was this time. I think it was just half. And what it's doing right now is it's just installing everything. Then after you completed that, you just hit play. It will open it up, and here we are. Here we go. Any moment the music's gonna start. Here we are. Yep. So as you can see, it's running. So the only problem with this is because I've got my phone rotated. Yeah. So there we go. I just ended, then restarted the recording. So you're able to select mouse with the mouse on the top. You can also just tap it. So show, proceed again. Now this is a bit embarrassing. So what I do is I try to connect to Hypixel, but I forgot the server address. So I just tried to guess it. Hypixel.com, I think it was. I haven't played in Hypixel in so long. Yeah, it's Hypixel, not LE. Anyway, so yep. It's going to do that, and it's going to say unable to connect to server, and then in embarrassment, I'm just going to select it and delete it. And now I'm just going to, I don't know if you've been watching my channel for quite a while, but I used to and still every now and then play on, Mine Texas Anarchy. It's like 2B2T, but less crazy, and you probably won't get doxxed. I'm not saying you're not going to get doxxed, but you probably won't. And I join in after maybe a month or two of not playing. Things are going good. So something you also need to remember is if you want to use chat or keyboard, you got to hit those icons up in the corner. So like you've got OptiZoom, offhand, third person, and if you want to, you're actually able to go through into the the settings thing while you're loading up the game, or not while you're loading up the game, while you're doing things. And so let's say if I wanted to use a hack client, I would have to create an icon for what is it? Right shift. So there we are, just messing around, having a good old time. Just proving that it works. I can walk around, I can connect to servers, and mind you, this is all on like an iPhone. Something you will also need to remember is that iPhones aren't high-powered gaming PCs, so do try and remember that it will crash if you load too many things in. It's not an amazing. Your phone's designed to make calls. That's what it was originally designed for. So I'm about to give this world a really, really cool name. I'll just watch this. Here we go. Any moment. There we go. Well, what am I up to? There we go. Just delete it. See, it's an amazing name. The second you do that, it will just start loading. Of course, it's got the animation. It's, we're not using no cheap, goofy, play Minecraft now on Pogi.com. No, we're not using that. We're using, it's got this is proper Minecraft. You had to sign in and everything. And, something I probably should have mentioned at the start is you do need an account. to install the Minecraft. So if you need a Java account. I'm not sure if that's going to be like that forever, because Minecraft, Bedrock and Java are kind of merging right now. But you will need an account. So as you can see, I load in, and it's pretty good. You know, I'm able to move around. I move out, and then I go, oh yeah, it's very choppy. And just as I was saying before, it's not amazing. Like I'm trying to break blocks, it works. I'm able to break things. You're able to place things. I just do some block breaking. I'm just cruising. What I decide to do, so I'm walking over here, and then I go, oh wait, there's a ravine. Oh, if that had been a hardcore world, this would have just ended. So yep, I'm just kind of walking around. I don't know. Might do a let's play. I don't know, it might be pretty funny if I do a let's play. I'm really not good at Minecraft, and you know, yeah, so I've just turned it down to 8 chunks, and max frame rate's 20 frames per second. And if you're not used to 20 frames per second, just turn it down to 20 frames per second, because it makes it way less choppy. And your game, yeah, see, it's pretty good. You are able to tell. There's a creep down there. Yep. You are able to tell it's on 20 frames per second, but after a while you stop noticing it. So I'm gonna try and now go kill a sheep. The only problem is I'm not able to hit 2 buttons at once, because I can't just use multiple fingers. And so what I'm trying to do right now is well, actually no, I think I could, but it's kind of like I've got to stop and hit the sheep, and then run towards the sheep, and then stop and hit the sheep, and then run towards the sheep. Yep, just repeating. And yeah, so I'm pretty sure I've already proven my point. Minecraft is working. Just comment if you want to do a let's play. Like and subscribe, or don't really. I know it's just numbers. It'd be nice if you would. I know I kind of like making YouTube videos. It's like a nice hobby. I'm not exactly interested in becoming internet famous, because I don't know, from what I've seen from normal famous people, paparazzi and stuff. But yeah. So there we are. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Just comment if you want to see me do something, because I check them. Yeah, have a good time. See ya. Hello, it's Dividfox. Just want to congratulate you to making it to the very end of the video, because hardly anyone ever does. It's like 1% of people watch the end of the video. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you have a good rest of your day.